Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to start a website or upgrade your hosting in 2025, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to use the latest Hostinger coupon codes to unlock the maximum discount, saving you up to 80% on your hosting plan. Stick around because I'll also share a special link in my description that will automatically apply the best deal available so you don't miss out. Now, let's be real. Whether you're building a blog, an e-commerce store, or even a portfolio site, web hosting costs can add up. But the good news is, with Hostinger and the right coupon code, you can get premium hosting for just a few dollars a month. Here's why Hostinger is one of the most popular hosting providers in 2025. Up to 80% off hosting plans, super affordable without sacrificing quality. Fast and reliable servers optimized for WordPress and high-performance websites, free domain and SSL, included with most plans, saving you even more money. 24/7 customer support, always available to help you out. User-friendly. Dashboard, perfect for beginners and advanced users alike. Now let's talk about the Hostinger coupon codes for 2025. Host 80, save up to 80% off web hosting. Host at 20, extra 20% off your plan. Free 2025. Grab a free domain with selected hosting packages. SSL 100, get a free SSL certificate for your site. Host deal 25, additional 25% off limited time promotions. Here's how to use your Hostinger coupon code step by step. Click the special affiliate link in my description. This ensures you land on Hostinger's official discount page. Choose the hosting plan that fits your needs: shared, cloud, or WordPress hosting. At checkout, enter one of the coupon codes I just shared, or let the link automatically apply the best available discount. Complete your purchase, and you'll have your hosting set up in just minutes. Pro tip: the longer-term plans give you the best value, especially the 48-month package, which locks in the lowest price for years to come. So that's it. If you want to get premium hosting for a fraction of the price, click the link in the description, apply your Hostinger coupon code, and grab the max discount today. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you, subscribe for more money-saving and online business tips, and comment below with what kind of website you're building. I'd love to know. Remember, your website deserves fast, reliable hosting. And with these Hostinger coupon codes, you'll get it at the best price in 2025.